Forecasters have warned that Hurricane Dorian, one of the most powerful Atlantic storms ever recorded, will continue to batter the Bahamas for hours to come. 5 people are so far confirmed dead, and the country's Prime Minister has called it a historic tragedy. He said the devastation on the Abaco Islands, which bore the brunt of the storm, was unprecedented. Richard Galpin reports.
Never before have the people of the Bahamas faced anything like Hurricane Dorian. The unprecedented damage done to these, the worst hit islands, Abaco and Grand Bahama, now becoming clearer. Homes ripped open and then flooded by huge storm surges.
The water just rushing in. Just rushing in.
The seawater rising by 6 feet in this part of Abaco, forcing people onto the roofs of their houses.
Oh, look all the area. We still need a boat to get around.
This satellite picture of Freeport, the main town in Grand Bahama, shows the scale of the flooding in the area. The airport under several feet of water. The terminal building is about a mile from what was the coastline.
We are in the midst of a historic tragedy in parts of northern Bahamas. Our mission and focus now is search, rescue, and recovery. I ask for your prayers for those in affected areas and for our first responders.
Overnight, the United States Coast Guard got involved in that search and rescue operation, bringing some of the injured here to the capital Nassau from Abaco Island. Much more help will be needed in the coming days. Although Hurricane Dorian is still sitting over Abaco and Grand Bahama, it has now been downgraded from the highest category, 5, to a category 3 hurricane. But that can still bring sustained winds of up to 130 miles an hour. As people on these islands start assessing the damage to their homes, they'll be hoping aid agencies will be able to get on the ground as quickly as possible. Richard Galpin, BBC News.